Hey Tessa, over at Clemencia Cleaning Crew. This is Chris with J3 Innovation. Appreciate you guys giving me the chance to show you just what I do and how I can help you out on your website endeavors. There are three main factors that go into play when you're trying to rank your site and make it beneficial, and they are content, citations, and backlinks. And we'll jump into that in just a second. And as you can see, we are on your homepage of your website at clemenciacleaning.com. And the first thing I notice is that your site is not secure. You guys want to get that taken care of as soon as possible. If not, Google will start to dock your site and drop you in your rankings. And even after that, if it's not taken care of, they will go as far as to ghost your site to where nobody can even find it on Google search. So that's one thing you want to get taken care of ASAP. Second thing is you guys have your phone number up here and it's not clickable like your email is. I suggest that you implement that and make it clickable. We do this on each and every site that we build. The reason for it is the more accessible and navigatable your site is to whoever is visiting, Google will reward you points for that. And those Google points will help in your authority of your site and also help in boosting your ranking. So that's one thing. And dropping down, you guys have a beautiful site. I love how it's very neat, very clean, and laid out perfectly. And I love how you have your contact form on here and on each and every page. When we do that as well, that will also help in your accessibility and give you more Google points for that. Secondly, you guys have about 730 words of content. I use this tool called Word Counter to find that out. We implement about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on the home page and 750 to 1,000 on each service page. Google loves content. To them, it is king. So the more content you have, the better it will help in your rankings. You're able to target more keywords and drawing more traffic to your site, making it more beneficial to you and your business. And also, the more content you have, Google is going to give you more points for that as well because they want to know who you are, what you do, why you love what you do, and why you feel you should be on that first page of Google search. And content will help you do just that as well. Dropping over here, as you can see, this is the search page of Google, and this is one of your top buyer intent keywords: cleaning services, Greensboro, and C. And you guys are ranking in the 14th position for this, so you're on the second page, and that's it. That's where I found your guys' site listed. So you want to add more to this keyword as well. You want to target this more as other keywords also. Dropping down, this is the map pack. This is where your local listing is, and citations go into play here. Citation is just your name, your address, and your phone number. So basically your NAP, and you put that into as many directories as you can, and that will help boost your ranking as well in the map pack. So you guys see that you're not in the top three, and this is where you want to be. So you guys need to add more citations as well as more content. And citations will help you get your listing up here at the top where you want to be. Dropping down, this is the organic section. This is where content, citations, and backlinks all go into play into ranking your site organically. And this is the long-term game right here. And as you can see, the maids, they are your number one competitor, and they're also up here in the top three of the map pack. So we will want to beat these guys out, and what we would do is use a method called copycat, where we go find how many citations they have, implement it to yours, and also add more citations to your listing so you can beat these guys out as well. And this is a tool we call White Spark, where we go find out how many citations that they have. And let's drop down and go check these guys out real quick. As you can see, they have their logo clickable, but not their number. So that will be one thing that you guys will have authority of them over, is having your phone number clickable and your site being more accessible. They have pretty good amount of content. They have about 1,334 words of content. So they're doubling you guys almost in content factor. So that's why you want to get more content. You want to beat these guys out, not tie with them or just a little bit. You want to crush them as well as in your citations. And this is a tool that I use called RFs. It shows the behind the scenes, the metrics of your site. And this is your guys' metrics at Clemencia Cleaning. You guys have 5 websites giving you 7 backlinks. You're only been targeting 42 keywords. It's only bringing you 5 traffic searches a month, which is only bringing you $41 in value. And the reason for it is that you're not targeting the top buyer intent keywords, as I was speaking on earlier, and that's what you want to do. If you target more keywords and target the correct keywords, all this will start to go up. And let's go look at your top competitors. As you can see, the major triad, they have 194 referring domains, websites, sending back over 6,000 links to them, and they're targeting 901 keywords, which is bringing them 292 searches a month, which is resulting in to over $2,000 in traffic value. And what we will do, we use copycat method just like we will in the citations. Go find out how many websites that they have that's actually pushing power back to them. Implement that to your site and continue to add on as well. And this is a long-term game of SEO. And over time, you'll start to catch up with these guys and eventually even beat them out. So that's all of the strategy in a nutshell. I hope this wasn't too much information for you guys, and I hope it was very valuable to you. And here is my information if you guys want to get back in touch with me. Taking a second to load. And I don't know why that's so big, but anyway, here's my information if you want to get back in touch with me if you're interested. And we would love to work with you guys. We're looking for one company to work with in the area of Greensboro, and we invite that to be you. And here's my email address. This is my website, and this is my phone number if you guys want to get back in touch with me. I hope you have a blessed and wonderful day, and thank you for your time.